Hello everyone, this is your Toyota Girl and today let me show you the Toyota Fortuner LTD automatic two-tone. First, look at this 18-inch alloy wheels. Super sporty diba? Parang ready na for an adventure. What if ito na yung gamitin mo sa next gala nyo? O diba, unang gala ng taon with Toyota Fortuner? Almas. By the way, this is a smart entry so kahit nasa pakat mo lang yung remote key, you can still open the door through that button dun sa door handle. And ayun na nga, let's get inside. Pero syempre, joke lang yan kasi lalabas din ako para mag-video. And here you'll see yung ating buttons for sensor, power back door na pwede mong i-off. We also have here yung button for panoramic view monitor if gusto mong ma-view yung front, side, and rear ng unit, nandito yung pipindutin mo. Also, nandito rin yung bukasan ng ating fuel tank and engine hood. Power seats na nga rin pala siya, o diba, napakabongga. Now, dito naman tayo sa steering wheel, so may switch control siya sa thin film transistor or TFT and sa head unit. O diba, everything is in reach. Ang sarap gamitin, hindi mo na kailangan mag-stretch. And by the way, Toyota Fortuner has Toyota Safety Sense. First is the pre-collision. If ever may harang or obstacle, the system can warn you or even brake automatically, preventing accidents before they happen. The other two are lane departure alert and adaptive cruise control. Ang laki rin ng head unit ni Toyota Fortuner. Imagine may Apple CarPlay pa na wireless, so less hassle na mag-connect. Wireless charging na rin siya, so pwede mo na i-charge yung cellphone mong pagod na sa'yo. Meron din siyang cup holder sa center console para sa mainit or malamig na kape mo. Another feature of the Toyota Fortuner LTD is the manumatic transmission with sequential mode. Kung gusto mo ng control sa driving experience, this one is for you. Meron din siyang Eco Mode, Normal Mode, and Sport Mode. Once you enable the Eco Mode, mas tipid siya sa fuel, so perfect sa long drives or daily commutes. Now, kapag gusto mo naman ng mas dynamic na driving experience, switch to Sport Mode. Mas responsive ang throttle at mas mabilis ang acceleration. Okay, so tayo naman sa likod. And what I also love about Fortuner is yung upuan niya sa likod. Madali siyang i-fold and paggaan iangat. So yan, hook mo lang siyang ganyan. So ano pang hinihintay niyo kung naghanap kayo ng perfect family SUV, Fortuner na yung sagot. Okay, bye, love, love!